Job alert, job alert, job alert. With positions starting at $20 and $21 an hour and up to $72,000 a year, full-time and part-time seasonal positions across the United States, I think that USPS is worth checking out. I really do. It's not a federal position, so let me not get it twisted there, but it does receive federal benefits. Now, if you're looking to establish yourself in a career that has the potential to retire, I know after working as an employment developer, those kind of jobs are far and few between, but you have one in USPS. And they're now hiring, so it's an excellent opportunity for you to get your foot in the door to a stable position for which you can grow. And with upwards of salaries to $72,000, I say now is the time. So I received the alert as a veteran, but I'm sharing it with you. You may not be a veteran, but it's still an opportunity for you to take a look at. Now, typically the first thing that comes to mind is postal carriers, but I was really surprised when I was looking over this job announcement and I seen motor vehicle operators and tractor trailer drivers and city carrier assistants and assistant rural carriers. I know that I have a profound respect for mail delivery persons, and I'm old school. I definitely leave at Christmas time a gift certificate of some sort and a thank you note to my postal carrier. And we've been in 100-degree temperatures and at 97 or so for the last several days. And I've even left out cold water. So I appreciate postal carriers. So with that being said, they provided videos that you can watch and learn about postal carrier services as well as motor vehicle operations. And I highly encourage you to scroll through their pages and take a look at their videos. And we'll take a look at one right now.
My name is David Rivera.
I'm Sasha McClure.
Stuart Martinen.
My name is Anthony Smith.
Nicholas Affolter.
I am a city carrier assistant.
I'm a CCA.
I'm a CCA at the Forest Park Station.
Inglewood, Florida.
Portsmouth, New Hampshire.
The Scottsdale, Maine Post Office.
Down here in Venice, Florida.
Before the Postal Service, I worked overnight at a hotel.
I was missing a lot of life events with my family.
Didn't want to be in an office for my next job.
I wanted to build a career for myself rather than just a daily job.
I was looking to actually have a career in somewhere where I could retire with great benefits.
I saw a lot of people in my family working for the post office that were greatly advancing towards their goals much quicker than I was.
Chose the Postal Service, and I liked it ever since.
I am a firm believer that when we make a living, we make a life. So please share this information. It's not just about sharing the website. Yes, that's critical in order for you to apply, but share this content and video also, because sometimes it's not just the information that you can obviously read that attracts someone's attention. It's also I'm providing additional information and additional insights that could be valuable to someone who does not have the same access or abilities to the internet as you do. So share it. Never underestimate the power of caring and sharing. So here we see on the website there are jobs all over the United States for these workers. And what you'll need to do is go into the apply section and identify the area for which you're looking for employment and click it to see it. All throughout this website there is a wealth of information that can help you understand what the duties are, can help you understand what the qualifications are, and help you understand the application process. And if you need support in doing so, don't hesitate to ask or go to your local resource. There will certainly be someone who's willing to help you achieve your goal. I say this to encourage you to be cognizant of your surroundings, where you live, the businesses that are going up, and those that are maybe having difficulties. Take a look at TSA. While the travel went down during COVID-19, it's definitely moving back up with increased protocols in place. And that might be an opportunity for you as well if you live within the proximity of an airport, and especially if you have a VA near you. Now, I know we're looking at a United States Postal Service website, but that's just to get this thought process going. And like I said, this is something that I hope to post regularly. So do subscribe. Do click the notification bell so that you can be alerted when I do post some content, no matter what it is. I am here to be a support and to build a community. And the way that we can do so is by sharing up-to-date information when it's received. I found that the career opportunities for students and recent graduates to be very interesting. The professional development program, notice the key words in it: knowledge, skills, and ability. It's an internship of sorts, but don't be dissuaded for those of you that have been out of college for 2, 3, or 4 years or more. Look at the details of the job description and find out what are the parameters for which you can qualify under any internship or training program. As I've said many, many times, make sure you look at the details. Don't be the devil in the details. Be deliberate in the details and follow them. So with that being said, I wish you all luck. Please like, subscribe, share, because you don't want to miss a thing. Get your boots on and get out there. Bye-bye.